Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm going to go train bashing today. Today shout out go to Lauren. Right, my graphics class has 3 girls. They all get a shout out as normal. Ellen Rose, she wants to be in a vlog, so I'll set a photo I took yesterday. Yeah, so let's do this plan. I can practically hear myself. That's better. So hopefully this is done. So I'm going to get a train ticket. Buy it. And we'll have a Thai teas. We have to £12.05p bargain. Yeah. So for lack of vlogs, guys, just can't be bothered to do them really. But I thought, why not? Special occasion to do. Let's do a vlog. So next clip will be me on the bus stop. Towards Lowood, the next clip will be me on the bus. Well, I am on the bus. Sorry if I'm jumping ahead, it's just my locations coming up. So yeah, I'm on the bus going to Saloon Town to the Garden Railway Station, buy a ticket. Get to Newcastle. I'm looking at the metro to Nebin. It places me bus services between here and Southern Gosforth. This will be a long one. I'm hoping to get like 20 minutes of footage in so I can combine them all together and put them up for you guys. This will be the longest video yet, I think. Putting that behind. I'm currently on 28005. I'm really in Instagram. Got one in the other one I can't find. Right guys, I'll give you the next footage when I'm back on the little bit of a train. See you later. Back to the station now, got the ticket. The train is at 9:30, so 26-minute wait. I can't use the metro unfortunately. So yeah, 9:30 for the train. I might see the King's Cross service if I'm lucky. But yeah. I'm going to go on HST to do Newcastle hopefully by 11:39 cross country service. So you can't do this of course, but I'm going to go. So yeah, I'll tell you guys. A little clip. So I'm still on train. I should have been in Newcastle now. But the obstruction as opposed to me to being late. But I'm still on train. Let's go to shortly while we live in football. He goes over there. I'm pretty fast right now, so I'm glad to stop. But yeah, Newcastle make me bestseller. Yeah, I'll buy some bus timetables. I'll show you them when I get them. Well, when I got the train to Durham back, before here to stay, the Alden back, Darlington back. Couple of hours before I have to go home. Probably get 17:45 actually go home. bloody youth now, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Sorry for being Hey guys. Hi guys. So sorry for the lack of footage right now. I've been on a Sumo, then a HST, then the Nova and Cooley. This is supposed to do something really rare, and it's just read via the Spring Bridge, the number 10, but it never does that, it goes by Red Brick Bridge. So yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah, so see you next time. Hey guys, I'm currently on a 5-car Sumo, which really shouldn't happen up here in the North End, like the North Lines. It should really just be like 10, 9 cars. But I'm on a 5-car service. I'm going to get this started to where I will then get train back up to Newcastle and probably don't know what we'll do then. I'm not doing right now. Quite more minutes till I'll get to Dartland. It is 14:58. It's chaos up in Newcastle right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm at the train. I'm trying to get you in. Just at the waiting apart on another Nova. All these seats. I wish I had one of these in my bedroom. Going up to Newcastle. I've really enjoyed my day so far. It is 16:09. I'll probably home by 6 at the latest, so I might do a couple of round trips between here and Durham. I started my day in Sunderland, got a train at Pennywell, got a train to town, got a train up to Newcastle where we were delayed due to
when I've got your back and I'll speak to whoever, you know, so if you think your money's £7 out, so just why just put answer to that.
Welcome to this Trans-Pennine Express service.
Sorry about that guys, that was guards. Hey guys, sorry for the pitch blackness, but you can't see me, just it's definitely me though. I'm walking home to my nan and granddad's. Thank you for watching Thomas Transport videos. Please give me a like and subscribe and turn that notification bells on for future videos and vlogs. Remember to do shout outs are Ellen Rose, Graphics Girls and Poppy Smith. If you want a shout out, comment down below. And your YouTube channel if you have one. And I'll mention your YouTube channel. This is the end of the vlog guys, I hope you enjoyed it. So please, give me your feedback. Follow me on Instagram, Thomas Transport, for all the latest fashion updates. And also, add me on Facebook if you do. Thomas Edward Booth. So see you guys later.